time is running out. The stakes have never been higher. No one can be trusted, not even her own memory. She must confront the past to secure the future.
KA, I am not a movie star or launched by a big Hollywood production house. I was created by AI, and you see just a glimpse of an AI-generated movie that the AI Lockup made. If you also want to create one, then watch this video till the end. Hey David, you can take charge.
Thanks, Emma. So you can now create this kind of AI movie with a single prompt, and I am going to teach you how. Let's dive in. Okay, to create the film, I will use an amazing tool called AIVideo.com, claimed to be the best AI video production tool at this moment. You can create any kind of video and access almost all the powerful video generators at your fingertips. The AI video agent can turn your single prompt into a short film within a minute. So, let's see how it works. First thing first, head over to AIVideo.com. The link will be in the description box. Just grab the link and create an account. Once you are logged in, your interface will look like that. On the dashboard, you will find several tools and features to create videos and music. We already made a video on how you can create amazing music videos, including music, videos, and the match cut feature. You can watch the video from the I button. Okay, today, I am going to create a film trailer, so I am selecting the script to video feature. This is what the script to video generator looks like. On the left side, you will find the AI assistant Ava to create everything from your single prompt. On the right side, you will find all the settings. If you already have a script for your video, you don't need to use Ava. Just select all the settings manually. Then, you have to select the template, enter the script, set the visual style, media type, characters, and other additional settings. However, if you use Ava, it will set everything automatically. Let's have a try. For example, I am typing, create a fast-paced 2-minute action thriller trailer about a rogue spy who was framed for treason by someone inside his own agency. This is just a single-line prompt. Let's see how Ava handles this. Just hit the send button. You can see that the AI is thinking and generating the content. And here, within a second, Ava wrote the script with all other settings. And look at the script. This is really amazing. I really like the script. It's well planned and perfectly fits my story theme. However, if you want to tweak anything, you can do so with just a single command. For example, I am typing, change the spy character to a female character. And here it is, you can see that Ava is doing her work. And the script has been rewritten. Now you can tweak all the settings if needed. First of all, we have to set the visual style. You will find a bunch of options. I am selecting the cinematic style. Next, the media type. You can use AI video, AI image, stock videos, and word art. For my video, the AI video will be perfect. So, I am selecting AI video. Next, you can set a character for a consistent character result. Just add a name. After that, add the character description. Once done, we have to upload some character images. I am uploading 4 images of my character. Next, we have the product option. If you want to showcase any product, you can add it here. This is very important when you are making any commercial. We already made a video on it. You can watch from the I button. Next, in the additional settings, you can set duration, agent strategy, orientation, target audience, voiceover, caption, music, and sound effect settings. Once you are done, hit the generate button from here. Now it will take some time to generate the video. So, I will fast forward the video. Okay, our video is ready. Let's have a look at it.
In the shadows, a name echoes, a legend, now a ghost. Ilara Vance, elite agent, framed for treason. They thought they buried her. They were wrong.
This is really a cool video. Exactly what I wanted. You can see the intense story building, cinematic vibes, character consistency, and other cinematic things. All are built with a single prompt, and it's freaking good. However, if you found any issues with the video, we can fix them. Just click on the edit icon from here, and you will be in the AIVideo's video editor interface. By the way, it's also powered by AI, which means you can simply ask to edit the video by text command. Before going over there, let's see what the video editors offer us. This is a multi-track video editor that gives the user full control over content editing. On the left side, you will find the elements and effects. First, in the Media tab, you will find all the visuals used in the video. You can customize any of them. You can even create new images and video clips, because now you have access to all the powerful AI image and video generators. For video generation, you can use Sora 2, Google Veo 3.1, Kling 2.5, Hailu 02 Pro, Pixverse 4.5, Luma Ray 2, and other video generators. For image generation, you can use Nano Banana, Seedream, Flux Context, Imagen 4, and more. All of the powerful tools are now at your fingertips. For example, I want to generate this scene again and replace the character with a male character. I am just selecting the video clip, and you can see that all the assets and prompts are now in the generation section. Now you can select the video generation model from here. Once the model is selected, you can set all other settings. Once done, hit the Generate button. Now we have to wait for some time, as Veo 3.1 will take some time to generate the video. And here it is. The video is ready and it looks perfect. Now you can find the footage on the timeline and then drag and drop the newly generated footage to replace the old one. And here it is. We are done. In the same method, find all the footage that needs to be improved and regenerate the scene. You can create a new scene, customize the prompt if you want, and even change the model. Give proper time to review and regenerate the video clip. Okay, after the visual settings, we have the Music tab, where you can generate BGM or even upload your own. To generate a new BGM track, simply type what you want in this prompt box. After that, set the duration and then hit the Generate button. After a short while, you will get the audio track like this. Now you can add the track to the timeline. Okay, next, we have the voiceover section, where you can generate the voiceover. After that, you can generate and add SFX. Next, you can add text and subtitles. After that, you will find all the transitions, and in the end, you can add an effect to the video. Okay, now let's talk about the AI chat editor feature. Here you can ask to do anything and the AI will do it for you. For example, I am selecting this scene and then typing, create a match cut sequence to this clip. And after waiting for some time, the AI added the filter as per our request. So now you can customize your video only with text commands. Alright, once you are done, click on the download button to download the final video. And here it is. The video is ready.
In the shadows, a name echoes, a legend, now a ghost. Ilara Vance, elite agent, framed for treason. They thought they buried her. They were wrong. Every step she takes is a calculated risk. She's hunting the truth, and the truth is dangerous. The agency that betrayed her now fears her. Old allies become new enemies. A whisper, a name. The true traitor emerges. She needs answers, and she'll tear down the world to get them. Time is running out.
And the video looks great. So now you can create this kind of AI film with a single prompt. Not only film, you can create any kind of video using AIVideo.com. Just type the prompt, and AI will handle the rest. If you want to enhance and make your content creation easier than before, try AIVideo. The link will be in the description. Just grab the link and start creating. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about AIVideo. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.